So the first thing to do is to just start up the car, let it idle for a bit so that it warms up. Doesn't need to be hot, just needs to be a little bit warm, and you can see the needle there. It's just a tiny bit to the front, not completely to the back. Right, here I'm showing you how to access the oil pan. So just get yourself underneath the car, you drag yourself along, and the oil pan is right here, right next to the transmission. So all you need is a 17mm, and you just crack that nut open and you just take it out. Of course you need a bucket to catch the oil, but that's obvious. And yes, this is very difficult to do without getting your hands dirty with oil, but that's life. Then you just wait for the oil to drip, and it will eventually stop. Now here I'm using my phone camera to show you how to access the oil filter. So you go underneath the car from the front, and then you find this flappy thingy that you just pull to the side. And then if you look closely, there's the oil filter, which is not blurred at the moment. Now there's two ways to access this. You can access it from the place that you see it here, or if you can't open it, you can always remove the under tray on the car, which I have another video about. Now to remove the oil filter, it may be too tight, so if you use a little rubber belt or something, I've used an old timing belt to remove it because it was too tight. But there's tools there's tools that are made for this purpose. So just get yourself out of it and crack it open, take it out with your hand, and there will be some oil dripping for sure out of there. So just be prepared to catch it, and just put a new oil filter. And just use the same tool or your belt to make sure that you make it tight so that there won't be any oil leaking. So you can see I tried to make sure that it was tight and then stopped trying again. Now the final thing to do is just to go underneath the car and put back the plug. Again, one of those really nice things about the 4Runner is that you don't need to jack the car to do this job. So after all of this, just make sure that you go back to the front of the car. And just remember to top up the oil. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and join the channel.